Did you know plants have tiny factories inside them that make food, store water, and even control growth? Let's explore the amazing world inside a plant cell. Hi everyone! Today we're going to learn about the parts of a plant cell and what each part does. By the end of this video, you'll be able to label and explain every major structure. Cell wall. The cell wall is the outermost layer of the plant cell. It is strong and rigid, and its main job is to give the cell shape and protection. Because of the cell wall, plant cells can stay firm and maintain their structure. Cell membrane. Just inside the cell wall is the cell membrane. This layer controls what enters and leaves the cell. It acts like a security guard, allowing useful substances in and keeping harmful substances out. Cytoplasm. The cytoplasm is a jelly-like substance that fills the inside of the cell. All the cell parts are suspended in it, and most of the chemical reactions needed for the cell to stay alive happen here. Nucleus. The nucleus is known as the control center of the cell. It contains the genetic material, or DNA, which carries instructions that control the cell's activities, growth, and reproduction. Chloroplast. Chloroplasts are special structures found only in plant cells. They contain chlorophyll, the green pigment that absorbs sunlight. Using this sunlight, chloroplasts make food for the plant through a process called photosynthesis. Vacuole. The vacuole is a large storage sac inside the plant cell. It stores water, nutrients, and waste materials. In plant cells, it also helps maintain pressure inside the cell, which keeps the cell firm and upright. Mitochondria. Mitochondria are known as the powerhouses of the cell. Their job is to produce energy that the cell needs to carry. Endoplasmic reticulum. The endoplasmic reticulum, or ER, is like a transport network inside the cell. It helps move materials from one part of the cell to another and also plays a role in making proteins and lipids. Golgi apparatus. The Golgi apparatus works like a packaging and shipping center. It modifies, sorts, and packs proteins and other materials so they can be transported to where they are needed inside or outside the cell. This is the completed diagram of a plant cell. Now, try to identify each part and label them on your own. So remember, the nucleus controls, chloroplasts make food, vacuole stores water, mitochondria make energy, and the cell wall gives strength. If you found this helpful, like, share, and subscribe for more science lessons.